Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today, you know, summertime coming and barbecue as well. We're going to do a spicy lamb kebab. They absolutely delicious. I show you what we need, the way I make this. Susie, please. I'm gonna make this with lamb neck fillet. I'm gonna marinate it in lemon juice and dark soy sauce. Okay, it's very easy to do. You take just a bowl, take your neck fillet, ask your butcher you're ready to trim like that, and cut like this, pieces like that. Not big, not small, in this side, because you're gonna put on the stick and they're gonna be perfect. Okay, cut your neck fillet like that, and later I show you the next step. Okay, the neck fillet is already cut, dimension this one. Now I'm gonna use for this 3 neck, I'm gonna use 4.5, you can use even to 5 lemon juice. You know, I just show you one. I have this, but if you have electric one you can use that. And just careful to the pips and juice in. Okay, do for all lemon like that. Okay, and I show you next step gonna be the dark soy sauce. Okay, the lemon is done. Here we have 4.5 lemon juice. If you like you can eat 5, but 4.5, 5 is good. Now what we're gonna do, Enrico's Master Chef is here, and now we pour the lemon juice in the meat. Enrico, please, inside everything. Very good. And now a little mix like that. Guys, this one gonna be, this is at least, I recommend you 3-4 hours before, but I gonna do this one 48 hours, 2 days. Okay, now if you notice it didn't have any salt and any pepper, because the soya is salty, but after 48 hours we're gonna add we're gonna pour everything, we're gonna leave it to dry a little bit, and we're gonna add Harissa paste. It's very spicy with some fresh coriander, gonna be absolutely delicious. Now the dark soy sauce, this is half liter, but we try to put inside. Okay, look how dark it is. Half liter of dark soya sauce.
And be careful not to put wine in because they look the same.
Yeah. And now mix everything, and you see? Mix everything. Now we cover with cling film and we leave in the fridge. I told you at least 4 hours, but if you leave a couple days is the best. And I'm gonna do that. See you in 48 hours, okay? Ciao! 2 days after 48 hours, the lamb neck fillet marinate in lemon juice and dark soy sauce is ready. Now we're gonna pour it in here. Later we're gonna clean it easily with mess. Now, just a second. Okie dokie. Okay. Now that is ready, we use again this for this bowl because we're gonna mix everything. Now, you know how dark it is, and the smell is already absolutely super. Now we're gonna need some harissa puree. You can find in any supermarket this one, and some fresh coriander. Okay, we need just this. Now, in the same bowl, just put the meat again inside. The harissa puree is very spicy, just how much you like. I like. I start with this and start mix. Okay, mix very well. You can use the end in the end. Oh, look at that. Okay, when you do the first mix, just we're gonna need some steak because we're gonna make kebab. The coriander just chop, not too small, you know, just like a couple times again, and put inside. Okay, just like that. Not all, if we need, we're gonna put. Oh, the smell, guys, is absolutely. Now I want to show you the way. The best to do is by hands. Okay, mix everything. This marinade stuff, guys, is absolutely super nice. Okay, okay. Now I think I'm gonna put a little bit more. Now, guys, it's the time to do the kebab. I show you one. Just put your finger. Depends how big is your steak.
That's what she said.
I think 4 is enough here. Okay, do your kebab, and later I show you the next step. Okay. Okay, guys, do kebab. They ready. Oh, they're very nice. And now we're gonna cook it. Now, for cook this one, you have a couple different way to do. You can cook in the oven, you can cook on the grill, on the pan fry, you can do on the barbecue. But the lamb, if you cook quickly, is a little bit chewy. I recommend the way to cook it is, like I'm doing. I put this first in the oven around 25 to 30 minutes to 200 degrees, and finish in very hot pan around 2-3 minutes per side. That's it, and it's absolutely delicious. I wrap it in aluminum foil like this. Easy, you don't have to do nothing special. Just wrap it like that. It's done. One. I do the second one. Well, I cannot wait to try it. It's absolutely delicious. You don't have to do nothing special, just to go. Like this, 25 to 30 minutes in the oven, 200 degrees, and later I show you when we finish in very hot pan. See you in half an hour. Okay, guys, half an hour, the spicy lamb kebab. You see? They absolutely, wow, the smell, wow. And now, guys, carefully, they're very hot. The gas is already on. The pot is already on. Now we're gonna transfer in the pot, and we're gonna cook around 3.5 minutes per side. Up to you, okay? 2, 3. Okay, cook this, guys, for 3.5 minutes per side, and later we're gonna test it, okay? Okay, guys, they're ready. Try to make them crispy like that. I forgot to say, the sauce you have here, sometimes add on the top to don't make them very dry. Now, guys, the smell of the spicy is wow. And now we're gonna try, because we have to. I cannot wait for this. Oh, look at that. Look how soft it is. Wow, look at that. Absolutely nice. And now, wow, hot, but guys, absolutely delicious. Another masterpiece. Well done, Piero. Guys, what can I say? The spicy lamb kebab is this, delicious. And always, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel, check our website cookingwithanitalian.com, and if you like, get up and follow us. Ciao!